Taking video.
I showed you my.
Oh, look at her making eggs and stuff.
Wait, I have to scramble it up, right?
Yeah. Oh, sausage. Mmm.
Do you mind if I get mixed up in there?
No. Oh, well, there's nothing I can do about it now.
Here, let me move it. And then I can put it back into the oven.
Ooh, this is my favorite part.
I get to see myself. Dude, ever since I had chilaquiles in your house, I'm like, I need to find a really good Mexican place and have that.
What?
Chilaquiles?
Oh.
I love it.
Oh, I told you about it, right? You didn't like
Well,
know.
I ate at your house.
Oh.
At
Because I emailed it to you once, the recipe.
Did you?
Yeah, you were like, how do you make that?
How do I make that? Salt and pepper, Deanna?
A little bit, yeah. That's me. Oh, you can't see it.
You want cheese in it?
No, thank you. That's me and home.
Do you like it a little, like runny?
No.
No?
No, thank you. I'm like, no, thank you. It's me and home. The Chicago.